Your boy's been getting really lucky with these retail W's lately. But I gotta figure out where I put this latest pickup. It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. Wait a minute. There she is. Woo, that's beautiful. That UNC blue. Love it.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
What's up? It's your boy Jaso. You might know me from the gram at my only account _JSOLE_. And since you're here with me on YouTube, join the Soul family by tapping that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell. Thank you. Today we're going to talk about my latest pickup, the Jordan 4 University Blue. We're going to do two things. Number one, I'm going to take you on a journey to pick up the Jordan 4 University Blues I hit on the Flex app at Foot Locker. So I'm going to walk you through that process. And secondly, I want to talk to you about upcoming heat and some sneakers that I've identified as must cops. You don't want to miss it. Alright, let's get it. Walking into Foot Locker, pick up my University Blue Jordan 4s. Just picked them up. They're looking real nice. Gonna break open that box when I get to the car. The white box is a nice touch. We're used to the black boxes with the Jordan 4 Retros. Really feeling this colorway. UNC blue with the accents of black and the gray cement. The sole is pretty standard. Then we've got Jumpman on the back. Looks pretty good. I'm not really feeling this tongue. It's a little bit fat, and I don't like this Team 23 on it. Just doesn't look good to me. Now it's time for those on-feet shots. Coming in hot. Now by now you probably know that I love blue. This sneaker is just perfect in my eyes. The materials are great. The colorway, the color blocking is sick. Everything about this sneaker is pretty dope in my humble opinion. The only thing that I don't love is that tongue. They should have kept it OG. You know, they can't be perfect. Nobody's perfect. That's fine. I'll still rock it with pride, but I really like everything about this shoe except for the tongue. Now, a question many of us might have is, how do these University Blue 4s compare to the Travis Scott 4s? They're very similar, as you can see. Very similar colorways. The blue on the Travis Scott is darker, and obviously the black accents appear in different places. The tongue is different, of course. I like the tongue better on the Travis Scott. It's the OG tongue, but very similar. Both are premium quality. Both have the like a cement or speckled accent on the heel as well as on the wings. Different soles, of course, but they're both great looking sneakers. You can't go wrong with either one. The inner sock lining on the Travis Scott features that speckled paint, and that's not included on the University Blue Jordan 4. The tongue difference, like I mentioned, the super fat tongue on the Jordan 4 University Blue, that actually might be pretty comfortable. Haven't really worn it out yet to test it. Kind of like the fat tongue on the SB Dunks. We got the close-up of the suede, of course. Suede seems a little bit smoother on the Travis Scott 4, but I would say there's no difference in terms of quality. Both are great. No losers here. Alright, y'all know this lifestyle. It's always on to the next one. So speaking of the next one, these are the upcoming sneakers that I've got my eyes on. Now, from the month of May, my number one target is going to be the LeBron 8 South Beach. I've never owned it. I've always wanted it. Doesn't look like anything in my collection, but this medley of colors looks super sick. I've seen great shots on the gram and on the internet in general. It's something I want to add to my collection. The actual release date is to be determined. Number 2 has to be the Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. I've been anticipating this sneaker for a long time. I just love the color blocking. It's a dope sneaker. Not really much else to say about it. It's a Jordan 1, so everybody and their mama's gonna want it. Coming in at number 3, the Jordan 1 Rust Shadow, previously known as the Jordan 1 Patina. This shoe has mixed reviews. I'm on the side of those who like it. I hope to add it to my collection. Hopefully, it won't be an impossible cop. We will see. Wishing everybody good luck. Alright, that's what's up next. Let me know if any of these sneakers caught your eye and what you think is a must cop. Alright, Soul Family, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you for your time, and I will see you the very next time. Peace and love.